Section B. Calculators are allowed in this section. Question 16. The average of two numbers is 15,670. So this is my average A, this is my N, which is 2. Difference between them is 11,212. What is the smaller number? You can draw a simple model. The bigger number is 11,212 more than the smaller number. So a total will be given by average times n. So I take 15,670 times 2. The total sum is 31340. Okay, so that means this one will give me this. So I can find 2 units. 2 units is 31,340 subtract 11,212. I get this amount. 1 unit, I will have this. Answer, the smaller number will be 10,064. Question 17. Average height of 15 boys is 1.52 meters. If one boy is 1 meter 66 cm tall, what is the average height of the other 14 boys? So first I find total sum of the 15 boys. So its total is given by average times number of items 15. I will get 22.80 meters. All the height of 15 boys. I take this, subtract one of the boy, 1 meter and 66. Okay, so I have total sums of all the height of 14 boys is 22.8 meters, subtract 1.66 meter. I have 21.14 meter. Then average of the 14 boys will be total sum 21.14 divided by n, which is 14. I have 1.51 meter as my answer. Next question, 18. The sum of 14 numbers is 104. N is 14. Total is 104. If the sum of two of the numbers is 23, find the average of the remaining numbers. This question is similar to question 17. So first I find the total of 12 numbers. So I take total sum 104, subtract away 23. So total of 12 numbers, I will have 81. So the average of the 12 numbers will be total 81 divided by 12. I will have 6 3/4 or 6.75. That's my answer. 19. 35% of the visitors to the dinosaur exhibition were adults. So 35% is adult and the rest, 65%, were children. How many of them were children if 4,560 people visited the exhibition? So this will be 100%. So 100% is 4,560. I work out 1% divided by 100. Then I times 165%. I multiply 65. Multiply 65. I have 2,964 children. Answer 2964. Question 20. A bank pays 2.1% saving interest per year. Susie has savings of $10,060 in the bank. Find the interest earned after a year. So you just take 2.1% multiplied by the amount he has in the bank. So you have this. You can just use calculator. 2.1 divide 100 times this amount. Straight away you can work out will be this. $211.26. Next, 21. 30% of the flowers in the basket are roses. So roses is 30%. 15% of them is the flowers, carnation. So 15% is carnation. and the remaining left with 55%. 100 minus 30 minus 15 is 55. If there are 120 flowers altogether, this is 100%. How many orchids are there? You need to work out 55%. So you can use 55% times 120. If not, I can work out this way, or I take 55% multiply by 120, I will get 66 orchids. Either this way or this way. Answer is 66. Question 22. Afini had $90. She spent 20% of her money on a pair of sandals and 11% of the remainder. So after spending 20%, remainder will left 80%. So 11% of the remainder on the skirt. How much money has she left? So sandals is 20%. Skirt, she spent 11% times 80%. Use your calculator, 11 over 100 times 80, you will get 8.8. You need not work out, you can use your calculator, so it's 8.8. Altogether left 100% subtract 20% subtract 8.8%. You use your calculator, you will get 71.2%. How much money? So left will be take 71.2% multiplied by $90. You work this out using your calculator. Straight away, you can skip this step. Use your calculator, press, you will get this answer. And same here, use your calculator to press, you will get this one. You can omit. Question 23. At an archery competition, 6 men score an average of 54 points. The winner's score was 4 points more than that of the runner-up. Average score of the rest was 47 points. How many points did the winner score? So work out total score by 6 men and work out the total score by the 4 men here. So total score of 6 men is average 54 times 6, 324. And work out the total score by the 4 men here, 47 times 4. Here left 4 people, I 188. So the difference is 136. So this is the total score for the first and the second winner. Alright, and I will draw a simple bar. The first one is 4 points more than the runner-up. 1 unit, 4 points more. First total is 136. So 2 units is 136 subtract 4. 1 unit will be 66. So the winner will be 66 plus 4, 70 score. So it will be 70.